Essay on harmful effects of polythene bags. Introduction. Polythene bags, also called plastic bags, are used widely in daily life. People use them to carry food, clothes, and other items. These bags are light and cheap, so many people use them without thinking. However, polythene bags cause serious harm to humans, animals, and the environment. This topic is important because the overuse of plastic bags is damaging our planet and our health. Harmful effects on the environment. Polythene bags do not break down easily. They stay in the soil and water for many years. When people throw plastic bags on roads and in fields, the places become dirty. These bags block drains and cause water to collect, which can lead to flooding. When plastic bags reach rivers and lakes, they pollute water. Plants cannot grow well in polluted soil. Burning plastic bags creates harmful smoke that pollutes the air. This smoke is bad for our lungs and the environment. Harmful effects on animals and birds. Animals and birds often eat plastic by mistake. Cows and stray animals eat plastic bags from garbage. This can block their stomach and cause pain or death. Birds may get trapped in plastic waste. Fish and sea animals also swallow plastic in water. This harms their health and reduces their number. When animals die due to plastic waste, the natural balance of the environment is disturbed. This also affects humans because animals are a part of our food chain and ecosystem. Harmful effects on human health and cleanliness. Polythene bags can harm human health. Dirty plastic bags spread germs and disease. Water collected in blocked drains becomes a breeding place for mosquitoes. This can spread diseases like dengue and malaria. Plastic waste makes cities and villages dirty. When plastic is burned, the smoke causes breathing problems. Microplastic from broken plastic can enter water and food. This is harmful over time. Dirty surroundings also affect our mental health and comfort. Conclusion. Polythene bags are easy to use, but they cause serious harm to the environment, animals and humans. We should reduce their use and choose safer options. Using cloth or paper bags is a better choice. We should reuse and recycle plastic when possible. By keeping our surroundings clean and avoiding plastic bags, we can protect nature and our health. Small steps by each person can help build a cleaner and safer future. Friends, if you found this essay helpful and informative, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you need an essay on any other topic, please let me know in the comments. And once again, don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Thank you very much for watching the entire video.